Baking with Me, Abuelita. Written and illustrated by Julissa Mora. Abuelita loves to bake. She makes the most delicioso cakes. It is Papi's birthday. Mi hermana, mi prima, and I will help Abuelita bake a tres leches cake. It will have cherries on top. When your papi was pequeño, he would help me bake a tres leches cake. It was our special tradition, Abuelita says. Abuelita reads the recipe. Making tres leches is about measuring, she says. We measure flour, salt, baking powder, and sugar. Making tres leches is about counting, says Abuelita. We count 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crack go the eggs. We mix the batter. Ew, the eggs are slimy. I pour the batter into the pan. Can we taste it now? I ask. Pretty please, with a cherry on top. Not yet, niñas. Abuelita places the cake in the oven to bake. Now we must wait. Abuelita turns on some salsa music. Ding, ding, ding. We dance. We clean. We laugh. Ha, ha, ha. Ding, ding, ding. The cake is ready. Papi pokes his head into the kitchen. What is that sweet smell? Papi asks. It's a surprise, we say. Who wants to take the cake out of the pan? Asks Abuelita. Me. I flip the cake over. Part of it sticks to the pan. Oh, ay. Papi's birthday is ruined. It's okay, says Abuelita. Making tres leches is about patience. Abuelita patches the cake back together. Abuelita is our hero. Yay! Yeah. The next step is my favorite part. Now we add the milk syrup to the cake. The cake drinks it all up like una esponja gigante, like a big sponge. Una esponja gigante. At last it's time to make the icing. Mix, whip, mix. We spread the icing all over the cake. And don't forget the cherries, says Abuelita. Papi pokes his head into the kitchen again. Do I smell a tres leches cakes? He asks, with a big sonrisa, a big smile. Surprise! We all shout, Feliz cumpleaños, Papi. Making tres leches is all about sharing, says Abuelita. Thanks for the deliciosa birthday surprise, says Papi. Now you are part of our special tradition, too. The end.